Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gigi Faison, and you guys, we are at week number 4. Yes, week number 4 of our 6-week outdoor makeover living space challenge that is being hosted by Juani of Juani's House. Now let me see if I can give you a recap of what we have done thus far. Week number 1, we were to share with you our space and give you our budget. And I am still in my space here. Week number 2, we were to share with you our vision for our makeover. Week number 3, which was last week, we had to share with you some progress that we had made within our space that we're making over. And this week, week number 4, we are to share with you a DIY or an upcycle that we will be using within our space. So you guys, I have 2 things that's on my mind that I want to do. One is a wreath for my door, and the second thing is to upcycle this ladder that my husband has had for over 30 years. And he's going to allow me to keep it here in my space so that when I need to get up high, I can have something to stand on that's really, really sturdy. Now, this is one of those really good and sturdy ladders. But as you can see, and I'll share with you in a minute, that it's had some good days and it's had some rough days, but it's still standing, like some of us. Sometimes we have some good days, some days we have some bad days, but as long as we're still standing, we're still good, we're still fixable. So what I'm going to do is I am going to, my desire, it may have to change, but my desire is to paint it. And I have this paint here, and this is, I don't know if you can see that color. We purchased this paint probably about maybe 4 or 5 years ago. Our intent was to paint a dresser and give it a pop, but we got scared, we couldn't do it. So I don't want it to go, I can't even get it to, okay, there you go. So I don't want to waste it, and I don't want to have to spend any money out of my budget that I don't have to. And being that it's going to be out here, I thought it would be fine. And if I do decide to make a wreath, I have this mesh here, and I think the colors may marry okay together, and if not, I can make them work. So we'll see. I'll let you'll see when I reveal what I chose to do. But yeah, if I don't have to spend money, I don't want to. And being that it's going to be out here, so if I don't have to spend money, then I don't want to. And being that it's going to be out here, I think it may be perfect for that pop of color as you open the door and you walk in and you see the ladder being placed in a very lovely way as you open the door. But I'm going to think about that. But you guys will see whatever it is that I choose to do. I'll give you a little sneak peek. Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by again today to check out week number 4 of our outdoor living space makeover. I want to take this time to say to you that if you're new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you here. And if you would like to become a part of my family here, All you have to do is hit the red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming uploads. And for those of you that are continuing to support me, I want to say thank you so much. I appreciate it. I do not take you for granted. I thank you guys. In my description box below, you will find the link to Juani's channel. She is the host for this collaboration. Please go over and visit her channel and the playlist of the other participants who will be participating. You guys, we are at week number 4. We have crossed over the halfway mark, and I don't know about the rest of you ladies and the rest of you that have been checking in, but I'm at that excited mode of, wow, I hope I can get this done the way that my mind tells me that I can get it done.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Then we can live a better day. From the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live a better day. Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars.